Distinguished chairs, respected researchers, and esteemed participants, good morning from Indonesia. My name is Sri Nurhayati, representing Ekip Siliwangi, Indonesia. It is my honor to present our scholarly work entitled Digital Forensic Gaps in Internet of Everything Driven Cybercrime, a review of tools, techniques, and jurisdictional challenges. This research was conducted in collaboration with my co-author, Mr. Loso Judijanto from IPOS Jakarta, Indonesia, whose expertise greatly contributed to the depth and direction of this study. Our presentation is delivered as part of the International Conference on Communication and Broadband Networking, or ICCBN, held in Chengdu, China, in November 2025. In this work, we critically examine the evolving landscape of Internet of Everything ecosystems and identify the major forensic, operational, and legal gaps that hinder effective cybercrime investigations. I am pleased to share our findings with you today. So, for the introduction, in this slide, I outlined the central motivation of the research. The Internet of Everything significantly expands the attack surface for cybercrime criminals or cybercrimes by connecting devices, people, data, and processes in unified ecosystems. However, existing forensic tools were never designed for environments with such extreme heterogeneity and distributed architectures. Evidence frequently becomes fragmented, volatile, or inaccessible. So, our study explores these gaps by synthesizing recent literature and identifying how technical limitations, operational constraints, and jurisdictional conflicts undermine forensic reliability. So, this introduction frames the need for updated forensic methodologies capable of dealing with complex and rapidly evolving IoE ecosystem. So here we explore the background challenges inherent in IoE environments. These systems produce diverse, high-volume, and highly ephemeral data streams across multiple layers, from edge and fog devices to cloud infrastructures. Many IoE devices have minimal storage, weak logging function, and limited computational capabilities, making trust preservation difficult. Communication paths are decentralized, causing evidence to spread across unpredictable nodes. Traditional forensic suites, originally built for desktops and servers, cannot parse lightweight architectures or encrypted IoE traffic effectively. So this disconnect between technological evolution and forensic tool readiness creates significant blind spots that investigators must navigate when addressing modern cybercrime. So now let's continue to the method section. Um, So we employed a systematic literature review guided by the PRISMA protocol to ensure transparency and replicability. Our research focused on studies published between 2020 and 2025, targeting peer-reviewed and open-access literature from an initial pool of hundreds of publications. Only 35 studies met all criteria for inclusion. These works were analyzed to extract recurring themes relevant to IoE forensics, such as tools, heterogeneity, energy constraints, hybrid investigative techniques, and legal barriers. So, this structured approach ensures that our insights are grounded in validated scholarly contributions rather than anecdotal observations. Okay, so for the data collection, we conducted various corpus searches using Boolean combinations of terms related to digital forensics, cybercrime, IoT or IoE systems, jurisdiction, energy constraints, and investigative processes. After retrieval, each study underwent a screening based on accessibility, topic relevance, methodological soundness, and publication date. The remaining papers were categorized across three major domains: technical, operational, and legal. This categorization allowed us to identify not only what challenges exist, but also how they intersect. By mapping studies this way, we could form a clearer picture of forensic weaknesses across IoE ecosystems. Okay, for the approach of the analysis, we use semantic synthesis to detect patterns across the selected studies. Five major themes emerge consistently: forensic tools and automation, device heterogeneity, energy and data volatility, hybrid investigative approaches, and jurisdictional issues. Quantitative data such as uptime percentage, evidence loss rates, and AI accuracy were incorporated to validate observed trends. So, this mixture of qualitative and quantitative analysis allowed us to interpret the studies holistically. The aim was not only to summarize, but to understand the underlying causes of failures in IoE forensics and how these challenges interrelate. So for the first results, technical gaps. Many IoE devices use lightweight processors, limited memory, and proprietary operating systems, making traditional forensic acquisition extremely difficult. Evidence loss reaches up to 35% in some devices due to overwriting or insufficient storage. So existing forensic tools like automation, leading to manual extraction processes that are slow and prone to error. Interoperability is also poor as tools struggle to integrate logs from wearables, vehicles, home devices, and industrial sensors. These technical deficiencies represent some of the most pressing barriers to reliable IoE forensic investigations. Okay, now we go into the operational gaps. So we highlight operational challenges that affect forensic readiness. IoE devices often rely on unstable power sources such as batteries or small energy harvesting modules. As a result, logs are frequently overwritten or lost during low power states. Hybrid acquisition models, which combine device level monitoring with cloud processing, show improvement but still lack standardized evaluation methods. Furthermore, evidence distribution across edge, fog, and cloud layers makes reconstruction difficult because investigators must trace sequences across systems with inconsistent logging standards. So these operational constraints underscore the need for energy-aware forensic protocols and more resilient data retention strategies in IoE environments. Next, the results on legal legal gaps. So we examine the legal and jurisdictional issues identified in the review. IOE ecosystems routinely transcend national borders, causing evidence to fall under multiple, often conflicting legal frameworks. So privacy laws, data sovereignty regulations, and inconsistent definitions of digital evidence complicate cross-border investigations. Nearly half of IOE-related cybercrime cases face delays or inadmissibility due to chain of custody violations or incompatible legal requirements. So current treaties offer partial support but lack comprehensive mechanism for IOE-specific evidence. These legal gaps highlight the urgent need for harmonized international standards that allow investigators to access, transfer, and validate evidence effectively across jurisdictions. As for the discussion section, we integrate the result and discuss their implications. The technological, operational, and legal challenges show that IOE environments require new forensic paradigms, adaptive modular frameworks capable of handling decentralized architectures are essential. Emerging approaches such as hybrid cloud edge processing, AI-enhanced triage, and blockchain-based chain of custody after promising solutions but must be tested at scale. So forensic investigators will need tools that can operate efficiently across thousands of heterogeneous devices. At the same time, policymakers must develop harmonize regulations to reduce legal uncertainty. These combined efforts will help modernize forensic practices in an increasingly interconnected world. Okay, let's move on to the conclusion. To conclude, our review demonstrates that significant gaps remain in the forensic investigation of IOE-driven cybercrime. Technical limitations in tools, operational challenges involving energy and data volatility, and jurisdictional fragmentation collectively hinder effective evidence collection and analysis. So, addressing these issues requires a scalable automation, validated hybrid investigative models, and international legal harmonization. So, future work should focus on integrating technical innovations with legal and operational frameworks to ensure forensic processes remain reliable, admissible, and adaptable. As IOE ecosystems continue to expand, developing robust forensic strategies will be essential to support global cyber security and justice systems. Okay, I think that's all for our presentation today. Thank you. Thank you so much for the opportunity and your attention.